Welcome to the Government Primary Smart School, Bhamaddi, Block Khanna 2, District Ludhiana. Let's have a look of the main gate and outer boundary wall of the school, which is very colorful with posters and quotations, and outer plantation of trees. Now let us go inside the school and have a look at the building of the school. Now you can see the beautiful plantation inside the school and bala work on the walls. Moving on to the corridors, we can see the walls are full of colorful and attractive learning material. There are slides, seesaw for the little toddlers, swing to enjoy and play, Now we come to the pre-primary room of the school. We have green foot mattress, stainless steel dustbin, sanitizer with sanitizer stand, water camphor with glass, colorful chairs, and in the health and hygiene kit we have first aid box, soap, comb, nail cutter, hand wash, towels, wipes, tissues. We also have green mattress, waterproof mattress for the kids, bedsheets, pillow and blanket. And to show e-content, we have LED. Thank you.